What if robots could walk, talk, work, and learn just like humans? That future may be much closer than you think. Imagine stepping into a world where machines aren't just tools but partners capable of moving, speaking, and even thinking in ways that feel almost human. Today we're diving into the world of humanoid robots, exploring how they're built, what powers them, and why they're set to change our lives. Let's begin our journey into this fascinating future. What exactly is a humanoid robot? Simply put, it's a robot designed to look and act like a human. These machines often have arms, legs, a head, and sometimes even facial expressions. The goal is to create robots that can move through our world, use tools, and interact with people in ways that feel natural and intuitive. Humanoid robots bridge the gap between technology and daily life, making advanced robotics more relatable and useful for everyone. Why are companies investing so much in humanoid robots? The answer is simple. Our world is built for humans. Doors, tools, vehicles, and even furniture are designed with people in mind. By creating robots that can use these objects, companies make it easier for robots to fit into our lives and workplaces. Humanoid robots can help with tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or just plain boring, freeing up humans for more creative and meaningful work. Modern humanoid robots are powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. This technology allows robots to see, hear, and understand their surroundings. With AI, robots can recognize objects, respond to voice commands, and even learn from experience. This makes them much more adaptable and useful than older, pre-programmed machines. AI is the secret sauce that brings humanoid robots to life, making them smarter and more capable every day. One of the most talked about humanoid robots today is Tesla Optimus. Developed by Tesla, this robot is designed to handle tasks like carrying boxes, assembling parts, and even helping around the house. Tesla Optimus is built with advanced sensors, powerful AI, and a sleek human-like appearance. It's a glimpse into a future where robots work alongside us, making our lives easier and more efficient. Tesla isn't alone in this race. Companies like Figure AI are also developing advanced humanoid robots. Figure AI's robots are designed to work in factories, warehouses, and even homes. They can walk, pick up objects, and interact with people using natural gestures and speech. These innovations are pushing the boundaries of what robots can do, making them more helpful and accessible than ever before. Step inside a modern robotics lab and you'll see a blend of science fiction and reality. Engineers and programmers work together, testing robots on obstacle courses, teaching them to balance and refining their movements. These labs are filled with cutting-edge technology from 3D cameras to advanced computer chips. It's here that the future of robotics is being built, one step at a time. Humanoid robots use a combination of cameras, sensors, and AI to see and move through the world. Cameras act as their eyes while sensors help them detect obstacles and balance. AI processes all this information, allowing robots to walk, pick up objects, and even dance. This combination of hardware and software is what makes modern robots so impressive and so lifelike. In factories, humanoid robots are already making a difference. They can lift heavy objects, assemble products, and work around the clock without getting tired. This boosts productivity and safety, especially in jobs that are repetitive or physically demanding. Robots can also take on dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury for human workers. Hospitals are another place where humanoid robots are making an impact. They can deliver medicine, assist with surgeries, and even help patients move around. By taking on routine tasks, robots free up doctors and nurses to focus on patient care. In emergencies, robots can quickly deliver supplies or provide support in hazardous situations. Imagine coming home to a robot that can clean, cook, or even keep you company. Humanoid robots are being designed to help with household chores, entertain kids, and provide companionship for the elderly. As these robots become more affordable and capable, they could soon become a common sight in homes around the world. Humanoid robots are also perfect for dangerous jobs. They can enter disaster zones, handle toxic materials, or explore places that are unsafe for humans. By sending robots into risky situations, we can save lives and prevent injuries. These robots are equipped with special sensors and protective gear, making them ideal for search and rescue missions. Benefits of humanoid robots are clear. They can boost productivity, improve safety, and take on tasks that are dull or dangerous. Robots can work 24/7 without breaks, helping businesses and individuals get more done. They also open up new possibilities for care, companionship, and creativity, making life better for people everywhere. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome. Humanoid robots are expensive to build and maintain. They need reliable power sources, advanced software, and constant updates. There are also ethical questions about privacy, safety, and the impact on jobs. Engineers and policymakers are working hard to address these issues, making sure robots are safe and beneficial for everyone. Common question is, will robots take our jobs? While robots can handle many tasks, they're not likely to replace humans entirely. Instead, they'll work alongside us, taking on repetitive or dangerous jobs and leaving humans to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and personal connections. The future is about collaboration, not competition. Most exciting future is one where humans and robots work together. Imagine teams made up of people and machines, each bringing their unique strengths. Robots handle the heavy lifting and routine work, while humans provide creativity, empathy, and leadership. This partnership could unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. Picture a city where robots walk the streets, help in stores, and assist in hospitals. Futuristic cityscapes filled with advanced technology are becoming a reality. As robots become more common, our cities and lives will transform in ways we can only imagine. The future is bright and it's arriving faster than we think. Soon, humanoid robots may become part of everyday life. From helping with chores to providing company, they'll be as common as smartphones or computers. This shift will change the way we live, work, and interact with technology, making our world more connected and efficient. The journey to a world filled with humanoid robots is just beginning. Engineers, scientists, and dreamers are working every day to make robots smarter, safer, and more helpful. As technology advances, we'll see even more amazing breakthroughs, bringing us closer to a future where humans and robots thrive together. Humanoid robots are more than just machines, they're a symbol of human creativity and ambition. As they become part of our lives, they'll help us solve problems, explore new possibilities, and build a better world. The future is not just about technology, but about how we use it to improve life for everyone. Humanoid robots may soon become part of everyday life, changing the way we live and work. Their impact will be felt in factories, hospitals, homes, and beyond. If you're curious about the future of technology, AI, and robotics, make sure to subscribe to RawTech Explained for more clear and exciting explanations. The future is closer than you think, don't miss it.